This is the heart of American military manufacturing, a fortress of innovation and power.
The cost on this batch is higher than projected.
Let's double check the alloy composition.
This is the nerve center, processing global orders in real time, secured by our top personnel. As you can see, our projections for the third and fourth quarters show significant growth in key sectors.
The terms are agreed upon. Proceed with the digital authorization.
The schematics are flawless.
Agreed, this exceeds all expectations.
New contract approved.
Analyzing optimal routes for global deployment. Current projections show a 15% efficiency gain with the new logistical model.
Our global reach ensures that no corner of the world is beyond our influence, maintaining security and projecting power wherever needed.
20-5-5. Cost optimization. Waste reduced. Efficiency meter rising. Automation upgrade initiated. Continuous production. Assembly lines running non-stop, synchronized motion.
As the sun sets, the work inside continues, a testament to American industry and vigilance. This expansion significantly increases our storage capacity, allowing for more efficient logistics and resource management.
Final shipment prepared. The largest convoy is now dispatched. It's good to see our hard work paying off.
Definitely. This bonus is a nice surprise.
The conflict has had a significant impact on the market, with defense company stocks trending sharply upward.
In this high-security facility, every movement is precise, every action coordinated. Efficiency is not just a goal, it's a standard. With these new lines active, our production capacity has increased significantly, meeting critical defense needs. Here, at peak efficiency, the factory floor is a symphony of precision and power, each component a testament to American ingenuity.
Each unit undergoes rigorous testing before deployment. Quality is paramount.
All clear on Sector 4. Night shift operations running smooth.
Over.
Secure storage protocols are strictly enforced. All assets accounted for. The yearly revenue numbers are finalized, showing significant growth across all sectors. This factory, a silent titan, works through the night, a symbol of relentless productivity and economic strength.